Hello, this is Bill Marler, the Craigslist Expert. Just want to make a quick video in regards to this awesome credit repair and just go over a few differences on why we have something really, really special when it comes to credit repair. First and foremost, please subscribe. I give a lot of, freebies out. I get a lot of, great software for lead generation. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you're a network marketer, you know, put some training out, teach people how to use Craigslist the right way, how to post ads with my bulk software, and generate leads and sales for whatever business you're doing. So please subscribe. And let's make a quick video. Nothing crazy. I just love this part about our credit repair. First and foremost, you do not have to pay tons of money for credit repair. There's a lot of companies out there. They get you in. Primarily, I'm thinking about Savings Highway. They get you in, and basically, you got to jump through hoops. And you got to keep on paying, even though they say it's free. There's a lot of other companies that say it's free. When it's not free, they keep on upcharging you. One of the things that that company does is, once you're in, they send you to, the only way you get to use their software is they send you to an affiliate, a third-party affiliate, credit monitor company, where they make commissions that way, and that's why they're giving you the credit repair system that they have. With that said, ours, you can get it as low as $20. And real quick, I want to talk about this push button disputer. There's nothing like it. Just makes it so easy to clean up your credit. There's no crazy typing or anything like that. You don't got to go through the catalogs of all these letters of what not to use. I'm going to show you a little bit in a little video on what they have, but it's just really, really sharp. I'm going to go over that right now. I'm just going to show you just a quick little video on how it works. And like I said, you can have this. Here's the main thing, okay? You can clean your credit up, but I get more excited about cleaning other people's credit up. And when I say that, we're not actually doing the work. You don't have to do the work, and you can make a lot of money in this industry. Any affiliate or network marketing program I've ever worked, when it comes to their product and services, between lotions, potions, pills, trading, crypto, you name it, there's nothing that converts better than credit repair. The market is just huge. There's so many people with credit challenges, and they need our help. So you can make a lot of money providing what I'm going to show you now for potential clients and other affiliates. So let me show you what this does. I'm just going to play this video and check out this push button letter creator.
Automated dispute letter writer. No longer will you need to download a dispute letter manually. Our automated writer will take your profile and negative account information that you enter into the system and automatically create a dispute letter from a drop-down menu choice. You only need to click the print button, sign the letter, add 2 copies of identification, and mail it to the credit bureaus. This streamlines the dispute process tremendously and minimizes the mistakes you make on your credit report with disputing items.
Okay, you can see how easy that was. I mean, there's so much potential. There's nothing better than our letter writer, our disputer. We got the whole system. Like I said, I'm going to have a link below, and it's just going to have basically 3 different options. It's going to have the $20 option, which is the same as the $40 option. You get everything the same as far as from the company. You just get less or more deciding which way you go on the affiliate side, meaning my rotator, my softwares, and things like that. So you can choose, you can read it. There's no pressure. You do which one you want. And we also have a higher level, and you'll see that level. That includes the credit repair, all the services, plus it also includes discount travel engine, which really, really saves money for people that are traveling. And you can run that as a business also. Because what I mean is, if you know about the industry with travel and these travel engines, a lot of the companies that you can become an affiliate for, they only allow you to set up one profile. So basically you can only use it. But with myEcon in the program I'm with, the travel portal, you can actually book travel for other people. So you actually, you can make a little fee, you can bring them in the front door, or you can do the work for them. Basically, you can become a travel professional without having to go through all the licensing, which is huge. Same thing with the credit repair. Because they're doing it themselves in our system, They don't have to go through all the license and the registration and everything like that. You can actually sell and provide the service without having to go through all the red tape. So if you're looking for a real business in a box that you can be an affiliate, make money, you can just sell the services a la carte, make money, or you can actually be the servicer and do the work for them. You can make money that way. Very important is working with me, okay? I'm going to help you. I have a team system. I have rotators, if you know what that means. I'm going to share your link, help you get signups, help you get clients, and help you build your business. We will never upsell you. I will never upsell you. All these other companies, once you get in, they want you to pay a higher cost monthly. They want you to upgrade to a higher level. I don't care what level you're coming in. You make the choice in the front door. You do what you want. You're going to get the same love and help from me. Okay? There's nothing better than this opportunity. I've been in myEcon since 2018. If you know the industry, if you're an affiliate, if you're a network marketer, you know that you can ask anyone that's pitching you, how long you been in this company? And they're going to tell you, oh, I've been in a month. I've been in 2 months. 99% of them, because they're just jumpers, okay? So if you want to follow a bunch of jumpers, you can go that route. If you want to be serious and actually make money online, I got the best $20 online business ever. Thanks again for watching this video. And like I said, I got a lot of bonuses that I can help you with. Just the software alone, the lead generation software alone is priceless. So thanks for watching. You can click the link below. My number's down there. You can text me. Any questions, and we'll go from there. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.